In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Canon R100 to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular model of camera from Canon or any other one and you would like to connect it to your iPhone, follow these instructions and you will be able to do this. Using the application developed by Canon, you will be able to browse through all of the photos on the camera's storage and do remote shootings from the app. So, the app that you need to utilize all these functions is Canon Camera Connect. Assuming that you are using an iPhone, go over to the App Store and download Canon Camera Connect. Of course, if you have a different device such as an Android smartphone, you should download it through the Google Play Store instead. Once you have the Canon Camera Connect application installed, the very first thing that you will see when you open it up is the option to register your camera. So you can tap this and you will see a list of cameras. Make sure that you choose the appropriate model. So the one that I'm using as an example for this video is, of course, the R100. So you choose it here from the list, and immediately upon doing this, you will see the connection methods. You can choose between any connection method that you see. They recommend Bluetooth, however, I believe that Wi-Fi is also very reliable. If you want to use a cable, choose USB, but for the purposes of this video, I have selected Wi-Fi as an example. Again, you can choose whichever one you prefer to use. They will all achieve the same goal by the end. If you choose a Wi-Fi option, they will have you connect to a specific network that the camera will create. So to get the details about this network, go into the camera settings, access the wireless category, and then go into Wi-Fi/Bluetooth connection. Inside, the very first option is going to be a smartphone, so go into this one that has a smartphone icon. When you go here, you will find the option to add a device to, and they are going to offer the option for you to see a QR code to install the Camera Connect application. Assuming that you have already installed it, you should select Do Not Display and proceed, but if you still need it, then you can use the QR code to get the app installed. Now, they are going to present you with the options, via Wi-Fi or pair via Bluetooth. Choose whichever one you want to use. If you select Wi-Fi, they are going to create a network that you have to connect into. So as you can see, they give you the SSID, which is essentially the name and then the password. So you go into the Wi-Fi settings on that device, and as long as Wi-Fi is enabled, you will see the network appear here. You can detect it by reading Canon at the end. So select this network, sign in using the password, and after this is done, you can go back inside of the app and the network should be registered. Now, if you go into the camera, you will see this message, connect to the smartphone, you can give it an OK, and customize the option of which viewable images. So if you just want to browse through all of the images available on the camera, make sure that you leave this on default, all images, and you can open the application to use the main functions that will now be unlocked. So the option to import images from the camera and shoot remote live viewing. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Canon R100 to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.